Hi everyone, I am Mr. Fanova. Welcome to Mr. Fanova Technology Channel. So, Samsung is reportedly gearing up to introduce one of its most ambitious smartphones yet, the Galaxy Z Roll, a device that could completely change how we think about mobile design. Expected to launch either later this year or in 2026, the Galaxy Z Roll will feature a groundbreaking 12.4-inch rollable OLED display, marking Samsung's bold step beyond the foldable era. This next-generation device aims to combine the power of a tablet and the portability of a smartphone in one sleek package, offering a seamless transformation between the two with a simple roll mechanism. Unlike foldable phones that rely on hinges to bend the screen, the Galaxy Z Roll uses advanced rolling technology to expand and contract the display effortlessly. This means no creases, no visible folds, and a smooth, uninterrupted surface that feels futuristic and premium. When fully extended, users get a large 12.4-inch display, ideal for gaming, streaming, productivity, or creative work. And when rolled back, it becomes compact enough to slide into a pocket with ease. This design not only enhances versatility, but also eliminates some of the biggest drawbacks seen in foldable devices: bulk, visible lines, and long-term wear issues. The rollable display is powered by flexible OLED technology, backed by intricate mechanical engineering that allows the screen to glide in and out without compromising durability. Samsung is reportedly reinforcing the panel layers and improving the rolling mechanism to ensure smooth, reliable operation over years of use. The result is a device that looks sophisticated while remaining practical for everyday needs. For users, the Galaxy Z Roll could mean owning a smartphone that truly adapts to any situation, from watching movies on a large screen to sending quick messages on the go, all with one effortless motion. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series has already proven that consumers are open to unconventional designs, but rollables like the Z Roll aim to take that innovation even further. Foldables still face limitations like screen creases, thicker builds, and complex hinge systems, whereas a rollable device solves many of these challenges by removing hinges entirely. The Galaxy Z Roll's sleek, streamlined design could make it lighter, thinner, and far more portable, while delivering a more immersive viewing experience. Beyond its engineering marvel, the Galaxy Z Roll could reshape the entire smartphone industry. Samsung's entry into the rollable market will likely inspire other brands, such as Oppo, Motorola, and Xiaomi, to accelerate their own rollable prototypes, pushing competition and innovation to new heights. If rumors are true, the Galaxy Z Roll might debut as early as 2025, signaling the beginning of a new phase in smartphone evolution. So what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy Z Roll? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next video. So like, comments, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Mr. Fanova Tech Channel.